Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to upload a video to Google Drive easily and quickly. Whether you're doing it to back up your files, share a project, or send large videos online. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to upload and manage your videos securely in Google Drive. So stay tuned till the end because I'll also share a quick tip to make your uploads even smoother. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.readalcolo.com. Make sure you're logged in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see your Drive dashboard. This is where all your uploaded files and folders are stored. Now, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled New with a plus sign. Click on that. From the drop-down menu, select File Upload. Next, a window will pop up showing the files on your computer. Simply browse through your folders and find the video file you want to upload. Once you've selected it, click Open. Your upload will start right away. You can monitor the upload progress in the bottom right corner of your screen. The time it takes will depend on your internet speed and the size of your video file. Once the upload is finished, your video will appear right inside your Google Drive. You can click on it to preview it or right-click to get a shareable link if you want to send it to someone. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a video to Google Drive. Quick, simple, and completely secure. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more easy tech guides, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for